What's the meaning of Columbus Day? Columbus Day. Columbus Day.
Columbus Day. Columbus Day. Columbus Day is a U.S. holiday that commemorates Christopher Columbus's arrival in the Americas in 1492. The holiday is celebrated annually on the second Monday in October. Columbus Day was first recognized as a federal holiday in 1937, and it is observed in many states across the country. While the holiday has historically been viewed as a celebration of Columbus's discovery of the New World, it has also been criticized for promoting colonialism and imperialism. Some cities and states have even replaced Columbus Day with Indigenous Peoples Day to honor the cultures and contributions of Native Americans.